Good morning, everyone. Today we will see exercises of chapter 14. Let's see question number 1. Put a tick by the true sentences and a cross by the ones that are false. It is quite similar to true and false. You have to just tick if you get true sentence and cross if the sentence is false. So I hope you all can do it easily. Before doing this question, it's better to go through the chapter one time. Now let's see question number 2. Make questions and answers like the ones in the examples. Let's see first example. An apple, an orange. So how we all have to make question and answer. Would you like an apple? I would rather have an orange. So you all can see the question is, would you like an apple? And the answer is, I would rather have an orange, or rather I say I had rather have an orange. Let's see second example. A kite, a bicycle. Would you like a kite? I would rather have a bicycle. I would rather have a bicycle. Yeah. So from first one you can see a kite we have made question, and from a bicycle we have made an answer. In the same way you all have to do rest of the questions. Just see the pattern the way it has been solved in the example. On the basis of that you all have to do. Let's see few questions. Let's see question number 4. Some tomatoes are cake. So what will be the question? Would you like some tomatoes? Question mark. I would rather have a cake. Again I am repeating the answer of question number 4. Would you like some tomatoes? Question mark. I would rather have a cake. So like this you have to solve. Let's see question number 10. A spoonful of medicine, a sweet. So what will be the question? Would you like a spoonful of medicine? Then the answer will be, I would rather have a sweet. Again I am repeating the answer of question number 10. Would you like a spoonful of medicine? Question mark. I would rather have a sweet. So like this you have to solve exercise 1. That is exercise A. Now moving to question number B. Go to the zoo, go to the cinema. So would you like to go to the zoo? I would rather go to the cinema. If we see another example, ride in a taxi, ride in an aeroplane. Would you like to ride in a taxi? I would rather ride in an aeroplane. You can see the pattern. The pattern is quite same. Would you like to go to the zoo? Would you like to ride in a taxi? So in all the answers you have to write like this only. Would you like? Would you like? And you have to use I would rather also. Let's see few questions. Let's see question number 3. Swim in a river, swim in the sea. So how can we make? Would you like to swim in a river? Question mark. And the answer will be, I would rather swim in the sea. Again I am repeating the answer of question number 3. Would you like to swim in the river? Question mark. I would rather swim in the sea. It's very easy. Now let's see question number 8. Read some poetry, read a story. So the answer of question number 8 will be, would you like to read some poetry? question mark. I would rather read a story. Again, I'm repeating the answer of question number 8. Would you like to read some poetry? Question mark. I would rather read a story. So, like this, you have to practice. Now, moving to question number 3. Give answers like the ones in the examples. Let's see example first. Would you rather have a peanut or a banana? I would rather have a banana than a peanut. I think you all can notice the pattern in the first example of question number 3. Would you rather have a peanut or a banana? So what will be the answer? I would rather have a banana than a peanut. Let's see another example. Would you rather go to bed or watch TV? So what will be the answer? I would rather watch TV than go to bed. Here you can notice that I would rather will be quite same. After writing I would rather, you can write the the last two words, watch TV, a banana first. So I would rather watch TV then you have to add THAN in all your answers from question number A to J. Then go to bed, go to bed. So if I have to solve this, how will I will solving? Let's see the question first. Would you rather play games or do you do your homework? So what will be the answer? I would rather will be same. Just now I have told you all. So I would rather do, then what will be the answer? Any guess? I think some of you can guess nicely. Okay, I will tell you. I would rather, play games than do my homework. I would rather play games than do my homework. You can also make like this. I would rather do my homework than play games. Now let's see question number E. Would you rather have bread and jam or bread and honey? Yummy. Bread or honey? Bread and honey and bread and jam. So what will be the answer of question number E? I would rather have a bread and jam than bread and honey. Or you can solve like this also. I would rather have bread and honey than bread and jam. So there are two ways you can solve this like this. Let's see one more. Let's see question number J. Let's see question number J. Would you rather go to the beach or go to the cinema? So what will be the answer? I would rather go to the beach than go to the cinema. Or you can solve like this also. I would rather go to the cinema than go to the beach. So like this you can solve question number 3.